welcome to my channel, Eye Candie. If you're new here, my name is Teresa, and on my channel, I love to talk about everything that makes my eyes light up and my heart sing. So if that's your type of eye candy, hit that like button below and don't forget to subscribe. So today what we're going to talk about is the Coach Pillow Tabby Shoulder Bag 26. I'm going to share with you exactly what fits in the bag that I carry in my day-to-day, and maybe some alternates I could use as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Just a mini review today on the Coach Pillow Tabby Shoulder Bag 26. It is in this color I have is actually the chalk color with the brass hardware. So I absolutely love the brass hardware that's actually wrapped in the Coach logo. Absolutely gorgeous. It is a very supple, soft leather. It is the Coach Napa leather, so it is not as, I should say, sensitive as or easy to ruin or easy to damage as a lambskin. So it's not that supple, it's not that delicate is the word I'm looking for. It's not that delicate, but it is a delicate leather. I do have some minor scratches here that could be buffed out fairly easily. Unfortunately, I did happen to get a few drops of water on it, which scared me because I did see it sort of bead with the leather, but it did, with wiping it up, I haven't seen any residue or any damage from the water, but I would definitely not want to have this around water or on a rainy day outside. I wouldn't push it that far. So it does have some durability for it, but it's absolutely durable. I wouldn't say you have to totally baby it as you would a lambskin bag, but I would say you will want to be a little bit more careful because it's still delicate, if that makes any sense. So again, so this is wrapped in the brass on the outline. It is brass hardware around, has a brass bar there, brass O-rings, and it comes with the pillow strap, very soft and nice. It's a top handle strap, as well as the leather strap, which comes with 7 eyelets there. It's adjustable from a shoulder bag to a crossbody bag. So I'm very excited. I didn't realize that it actually expanded lengthened, I should say, into a crossbody bag. So I'm definitely going to try that out. I'm looking forward to doing so. It is very nice. So back to the bag. It has a magnetic closure. It is a little front heavy because of this top part here. It's very pillowy, and it is lined in the leather, has the Coach leather there, the infamous Coach leather statement there. It is lined in the Napa leather inside, but the pocket, the zipper pocket inside, is actually lined, fabric lined. So it has 2 compartments here, both leather lined, and a zipper pocket. Doesn't have any pockets in the front or any in the back. Very nice, very nicely done. The craftsmanship on this is absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love it. It is 10 1/4 inches, 10 inches and 1/4 long, 3 inches wide, and 6 inches tall. So it reminds me very much of the Coach small bag. It's about the size of that, not the Coach, I'm sorry, the Chanel small size bag. It's very nice, and it fits, I think it packs a punch when it comes to what you want to carry. So with that said, let's get to what fits inside. So typically what I like to carry inside my handbag is if you know me, you know I like to carry my Louis Vuitton mini pochette. So I will insert that there in the front. So that's there inserted in the front. Because the handbag is a little front heavy, I'll try to load it in the back, a little more in the back. I also like to carry sunnies during the spring and summer, actually all year round, but definitely in the spring and summer. So these are my Dior sunnies in the Dior case. So I will insert that there in the back. Very nice. I also like to carry my phone, and since I record on my phone, I just have my phone case here, and I'm going to insert that in the back as well with my sunnies. So that fits in there very nicely. And because I like to keep my money and items, driver's license and identification and cards safe, I will insert my Louis Vuitton key clay inside there in monogram, as well as my Fendi card case. And I'll insert that inside with the key clay, and see, those two fit inside there very nicely. So I still have a little room there still. And obviously I have to carry my keys. So I have my 6-ring key holder in the Louis Vuitton Empreinte leather, and that fits very snugly, very nicely there. See, I still have some room here to put some things, very small things. Maybe you want to insert another catch-all, maybe something back there. But that is what I carry on a regular basis with me in my handbags. So I did have to really work with it to try to keep it from having lumps and bumps. But I want to keep the integrity of the bag, try to prevent creases. So it does have a little, lumping here. It's just the nature of the bag. Because it's a pillow bag, it's going to do that. It even does that a little when it's empty. So it's just the pillowy effect, being smushed, and so it just has that smushed pillowy, but no true lumps and bumps, no pressure, no pressure points, nothing poking or sticking out at all on the bag. So nothing sticking out on the bag. I absolutely love it. So, and pretty smooth on the bottom there as well. So it does a very good job. Now, that's mostly what I carry. If I wanted to prevent from having such a struggle, since I have my phone out using it most of the time, it may not be inside. I might carry that in my pocket or carry it in my hand, or it's next to me, just depending on what I'm doing. As you can see, it just snapped and closed. It just snapped and closed so much easier when I did it that way. So I absolutely love this bag. It is very versatile. It goes along with my routine and day, and because of its color, which incidentally, this is called the Chalk and Brass is the name of this one, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I would tell you, definitely get your hands on this bag. It's a great addition at the price point with the craftsmanship and the leather. You can't beat it. And Coach they really showed up and showed out this season with this bag. So I absolutely love it. Now, if I wanted to sort of switch up some of my items, I probably would do so. If I needed to carry something a little different, I would remove my key clay and my card holder, and I would actually use a long wallet. So this is my Louis Vuitton Clements and Damier Ebene print, and I would just insert that right in the back with my sunnies. So I would just swap out one set of one currency holder for another one with the long wallet, and it really didn't struggle. That was me more than it was having that wallet in there, but so it's still very nice, the same structure, lumps and bumps, no penetrating or punctures, nothing sticking or poking out, pressing out of the bag. So very nice. So those are some options as far as what to hold. And really the sunglass case is pretty big. The glasses are a little bulky. So if you have slimmer glasses than what I have in here, which are pretty chunky, you would definitely have a little bit more room to add or put things in without any trouble. So I could take the sunnies out, wear them on my head, and to put my phone inside without any issue with the long wallet, and definitely clicks close without much issue. So I love the bag. I absolutely would recommend the Coach Pillow Tabby bag to anyone who's seeking it. If I didn't answer some of your questions, please comment down below. Ask me some questions about it, maybe some things that made you hesitate on buying the bag, and especially in the chalk color. It really doesn't remind me of chalk because chalk is more white. When you think of it on a blackboard, it's more actually of a cream for me, or an ivory color, but either way, it's absolutely gorgeous. So I love this bag. I'm glad I added it again to my collection. I will be carrying this bag for quite a long time. So again, if you have any questions, ask me down below. If you have a pillow bag and there's something that you've discovered about the bag that I haven't mentioned, just let me know. As well, if you notice some things, because I've had this bag about a month now. So if you've noticed is some things that maybe about the bag that I should be aware of, let me know those as well. I'm open to conversing about the Pillow Tabby. So I absolutely love it. I hope you are able, if you don't have the bag, to able to get you one. If it's on your dream list to add to your collection, I do hope you're able to get the bag. That's it, you guys. That is my mini review about what fits in the Coach Pillow Tabby bag. I'm absolutely obsessed with this bag. I've carried it a whole lot in a short amount of time I've had it. So I do hope you enjoy yours as well. If you get it, don't forget, comment down below if you have any questions, comments, statements, what have you. Share any of your experiences with your bag as well. I look forward to conversing with you on the topic. And if you like this video, please hit that like button below and consider subscribing. And don't forget that notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I post a video. So until next time, you guys, bye.